morning, my dear parents. Thank you for supporting your online classes to run smoothly. Good morning, kids. Before going to today's session, shall we complete the circle time? Come. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Date is 1. Date is 1. Month is March. Month is March. It's time for phonics. Today we are going to recall all the sounds what we have learned. Shall we recall it? Come. So look here. What's the first sound? S. S. Sing along with me. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. S. S. Snake is in the grass. Next sound. A. A. Sing along with me. A. A. And samayam. A. A. And samayam. A. A. And samayam. They are causing me alarm. Next sound. When I watch a tennis game. When I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Next sound. E. E. Sing along with me. Inky the mouse is wet pet. She spilled the ink on carpet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Next sound. Look at the card. Next sound. Sing along with me. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Next sound. Sing along with me. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Next sound. Look at the card and say next sound. Curlica, kicking cat. Sing along with me. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Next sound. Look at the card. What's the sound? A. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Next sound. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Good. Very good. Next sound. Rrr. Rrr. Sing along with me. See my puppy with the run. Rrr. Rrr. See my puppy with the run. When he pulls so hard. Next sound. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Next sound. D. D. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Next sound. G. G. Sing along with me. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. With the g. Next sound. O. O. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. Very good. Next sound. Sing along with me. Upgumbalas. 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 When it starts to rain. Next sound. We lick lollipops. We lick lollipops. We lick lollipops. Next sound. What is the sound? Sing along with me. Sing with action. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Very good. Next sound. Look at the card. Next sound. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Next sound. A. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say? Next sound. J. J. Jelly and jam, jingling on the plane. Oh, what will I eat with the ja, 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 ja. Next sound. I. The captain said I. The captain said I. Stand up straight, don't be left. The captain said I. Next sound. O. O. Did you see the billy goat? Oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Next sound. E. O. E. O. Sing along with me. See the donkey in its stall. E-O is its call. Next sound. Z. Sing along with me. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz. A bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz. Like this. Next sound. Wa. Wa. I see the clouds moving. Wa wa wa. I see the kites flying. Wa wa wa. I see the trees bending. Wa wa wa. The wind is blowing strong. Next sound. Ing. Ying. Sing along with me. If you're strong and you know it, say ing. If you're strong and you know it, say ing. If you're strong and you know it, you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, say ing. Very good. Next sound. Sing along with me. What's the next sound? Drive, Vicks van round the village. Drive, Vicks van round the village. Drive, Vicks van round the village. Ooh. Next sound. Ooh. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh. Next sound. Yeah. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas with yeah. Next sound. Sing along with me. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Very good. Clap for yourself. We have completed all the sounds what we have done. So, shall we move to the sight words? Come. It's time for sight words. Before going to the new words, shall we recall the words what we have learned? Come. I. All. Was. To. There. All. Do. He. Me. We. She. Be. So. No. Mine. You. Your. Come. Sun. Said. They. Here. They. Want. Because. Other. Any. Many. Who. Why. Which. Before. More. Where. 4. Does, goes, should, could, would, may, right, saw, there. Put. It's time for writing. Now we are going to recall capital letters and small letters in literacy. Shall we recall it? Come. After B. B after. Say it right. Write neatly. K. What k? Curly k. Curly k. K after. D. D. D after. A. A after. Say it right. After. G. G. Say it right. G. G after. H after. E. E. E after. J. J. J after. K. What is the K? Kicking K. Kicking K. K after. Oo. Oo. L after. Think and say L after. Very good. Say and write. After. After. O. O after. P. P after. Qu. Qu after. R after. After. T. T after. 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 W. W after. After. Yeah. Yeah after. Z. Slanting line. Slanting line. In the middle, sleeping line. A. Standing line. Lifter curve. Lifter curve. B. B after. K. Righter curve. K. K after. D. Standing line. Lifter curve. D. D after. A. Standing line. At the top, one sleeping line. In the middle, one sleeping line. And at the bottom, one sleeping line. A. A after. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. After. Righter curve. Sleeping line. Standing line. G. G after. H. Standing line. Standing line. In the middle. Sleeping line. H after. E. Sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. E. E after J. Sleeping line, standing line, K. J. J after K. Kicking K. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line. K after U. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. After O. Righter curve, lefter curve. O. Standing line, lefter curve. P. Righter curve, lefter curve, slanting line. Qu. Standing line, lefter curve, slanting line. R. Righter curve, lefter curve. S. Sleeping line, standing line. T. Standing line, curve, standing line. Slanting line, slanting line. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. V. Slanting line, slanting line. X. Slanting line, slanting line. Y. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. So far we learned letters and words. If we combine the words together, we can get sentences. So today we are going to learn the sentences from the book. Shall we learn? Come. Look here. What is the name of the activity? Sentences. Read and learn. Look here. Here they have given some words and here they have given some words. If we combine together, we will get meaningful sentences. Shall we read it? Read along with me. The boy plays with the ball. Read along with me. The boy plays with the ball. The bird is in the nest. The bird is in the nest. Next one. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. Very good. Let us look at some more sentences. Look here. He fell down. Listen to me. He fell down. Next one. The pen is blue. The pen is blue. The pan is hot. The pan is hot. Activity. Story time. Trace the words. Read the story. Look here. Here they have given the story. In this we have at family words. Shall we read the story by tracing the words? Come. Look here. Once there was a cat. Trace it. So what is the word? K. At. Cat. K. At cat. He was very at fat. Trace it. At fat. He was very fat. He always slept on a at mat. At mat. Trace it. At mat. He always slept on a mat. One day he saw a at rat. Trace it. At rat. One day he saw a rat. It was wearing a hat. Trace it. At. It was wearing a hat. The cat and rat became best friends. Together they played with the ball and a bat. Bat. So trace it. Together they played with the ball and a bat. Once again. Once there was a cat. He was very fat. He always slept on a mat. One day he saw a rat. It was wearing a hat. The cat and the rat became best friends. Together they played with the ball and a bat. Next activity, sentences. Match and complete the sentences. Look here. Here they have given some words and here also they have given some words. We want to combine the words together to get a meaningful sentence. Shall we do it? Look here. The boy plays in the park. Match it. Once again. The boy plays in the park. Next one. The girl. The girl likes to sing. The girl likes to sing. Match it. The girl likes to sing. Next one. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Match it. He is a good boy. Next one. She. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. Match it. Once again. The boy plays in the park. The girl likes to sing. He is a good boy. She is a good girl. Next activity, crossword. Name the pictures to complete the crossword. Look here. Here they have given some pictures and here they have given the box. We want to write the name of the pictures in the boxes. Shall we write it? What's the first one? Hat. First one, hat. Look here. Where is one? Here. So first write and then at. Hat. Second one, bat. Bat. Where is number 2? Here. So first write b and then at. B at bat. Next one, ball. What's the third one? Ball. Ball. Where is number 3? Here. Already we have written b. So write all. All. Say and write. Ball. Ball. Fourth one, lamp. 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 Fifth one, pen. Pen. So here is 5. Pen. It's time to end of the session. So whatever we have learned today, practice at home. We will meet in the next session. Until then, it's bye from Venu.